Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX appearance package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck. Then looking in the back where you have seating for 3 with seats that can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have some fold-out cup holders as well as a 12-volt and 2 USBs. And then looking in the front where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and your auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. And then you can also look at display mode, which has your engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures, and digital speedometer. Then going down to your towing information, your off-road status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. As well as having your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and Pro Trailer backup controller, as well as a small cubby there. And on the right, you have a 12-volt. Then down below, you have another 12-volt with 2 USBs and a shelf, so you can put your device there while it's charging. You also have vinyl floors throughout the vehicle, so no carpet to worry about. And then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end for normal, tow haul, snow, wet, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to your middle, where you are your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, cubby, but then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you actually have another compartment underneath that for more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.